Alright, drifter ready. First pedal. 1, 2, go. Okay, nice initiation from the S15, and the Civic is catching it up nicely. The attacking distance is nice and clean. Okay, now into the main sweep, main straight. Oh, the FD is very close attacking. Now let's see into the main sweeper. Nice angle from both cars, and also nice attacking distance from the FD. Guntur memang mantap, ha? This round even 5-5. Alright, tadi chaser kat U-turn lepas main sweeper, kita nampak dia ada straighten bila dia buat switching. Dia straighten baru dia switch. So itu kita ada tolak sikit point dari chaser, tetapi chaser dapat attacking dari starting kan. So dah neutralize lah advantage chasing point tu. Okay? So 5-5 this round, 5-5. Alright, kita tengok second round battle. Drifter ready. 1, 2, go. Okay, now it's the FD doing a very nice lead run, and the S15 is we can see there's a big pulse from the leader, and the S15 is managed to keep up and wait for the leader to recover. Now the chaser is keeping it up all the way. Alright, this round advantage to chaser. Okay, so tadi leader kat first U-turn tu dia ada touch ball, lepas tu dah pause banyak slow down lah. Alright, kita consider itu yang correction adjustment. Okay, so therefore Ahui got the round. Thank you, Guntur.